Hello, I'm very excited to release my new book, GeoAI with Python, a practical guide to open source geospatial AI. And the book now is available as a PDF on Linkpad and also the full color print copy available on Amazon. So feel free to grab a copy. And so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get started and also show you the content of the book. And I started building the GeoAI Python package about, I think, 2 to 3 years ago. And finally, I found the time late last year and also the last couple months to put everything together so that the book can give you a systematic introduction to applying GeoAI on geospatial data. And I also provide all the core examples. I'm going to show you how to get that. Very easy to get started. All the notebooks are reproducible, so you can follow the examples and follow my tutorial with real geospatial data. It's not like hypothetical data. It's all real satellite data, aerial imagery, and also vector data. So you can just follow through, and then you can apply with your own data if you want to. So hopefully this is going to lower the barrier of entry so that anyone with an internet browser, you will be able to use the package and to get something out of geospatial data using GeoAI. First, I'll show you where to get the book. If you go to the OpenGeoAI website, opengeoai.org, on the left side, there's a menu here, books. If you click the book, and then it will take you to the book website, and this is where all the source code and example are being hosted. You can see some of the description in here. So basically, we're going to get started from some of the basics and how to get the data, how to prepare your data for deep learning, and how to train your own model depends on your task. Then also how to run the inference on new data. We also cover how to do foundation models and satellite embeddings. The last section covers QGIS plugin. If you're someone that don't know how to do programming or you don't want to use it, there's also an option that you can use the QGIS plugin without having to write any live code. So these are the total 5 sections. I actually have more content, but I didn't have time to put them all in here. Maybe in the next couple months, I'll work on the second edition to add more content about AI agents and also maybe time series analysis, point cloud segmentation or something like that. So stay tuned for the next edition. But for now, this is what I already have, and you can just get started with this one for now. And also, if you want to get the novel examples, you can click up right here. There's a GitHub icon. If you click the icon, it will take you to the GitHub repository. And this is where you can get all the core examples, especially for those AI tasks, for example, code tasks. So if you click inside, change detection, image recognition, something like that, if you click, it will pop up as a notebook. So all the source code is available from here. So you can just run through them. If you don't want to buy the book, but the book contains all the material, the description, the images and the figures, either as a PDF or as a hard copy from Amazon. Okay, and if you want to get all the contents, what I recommend is to just click this code button and then click the download zip. So you can download this one to your computer as a zip file here, or you can just clone the repository so that you can get updated in the future. I'm just going to go to my downloads directory here and then git clone. So in that way, whenever update, you can just git pull, you will get the latest version. And this is where you have all the source code in here. Then you can just run through them to get started. What I recommend is to go one by one, especially if you're new to GeoAI, you can follow through step by step. So go to the preface. I'm going to show you where you get all the content. So it gives you detailed description of each section, each chapter. At the end here, I also show you how to get the sample data. Actually, you don't have to get the sample data by yourself. All the core examples download the data automatically, so you don't have to worry about the data. But if you want, all the data are hosted on Source Co-op, and you can get all the data from here if you want to. In the future, I will add more data in here. So this you can see as a central repository for all the sample data going to be used by the GeoAI Python package. So you don't have to worry about, like you don't have any data to get started. And again, the PDF is available from here. If you want to support me, you can buy the copy from Linkpub, and the hard copy is available on Amazon. If you purchase a hard copy, print copy on Amazon, feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to provide a complimentary PDF copy to you, and so that you can also source the content within the PDF. So the PDF looks like something like this. In total is 423 pages, so it has a lot of practical content. Again, on the left side, you can see the table content here. You can navigate through, and feel free to try it out. For example, all those have figures, tables, and images, so you're welcome to follow through. Let me see here. For example, you can look at the data and the figures, tables, and descriptions, so you can have a better understanding about what each chapter is doing. Also, you can do, for example, object detection. I can visualize sample annotation. And like I said, if every chapter is independent, so you can basically run through them. You can skip the chapter to find the one that you're interested in. Then you can follow through the text and the figures and table to be able to run deep learning and AI on geospatial data. So the core task contains 7 sections. Image recognition basically is just the scene classification to show you what each image is. And detection is detect the bounding box. Semantic segmentation is just kind of similar to lane cover classification. Every pixel gets one class. Instance is every pixel gets an object and also have a class. So for example, here you can show you some of the data. So this summer tutorial actually also available on YouTube that I previously presented, but this book is going to give you a very systematic introduction to end-to-end workflow for applying GeoAI. So feel free to follow through. And also, for example, change detection, you can also visualize the input and also visualize the results. Pretty interesting. So again, if you're new, this is going to save you a lot of time. And also, I cover some of the foundation models, including SAM3, also satellite embeddings. This is pretty new topic right now. So if you're interested in learning how to apply satellite embedding and sort of foundation models to doing change detection, clustering, something like that, the book also has concrete examples showing you how to do that. And the last section is about QGIS plugin. So if you're interested in learning how to visualize and also analyze data in QGIS environment, then this section is for you. So right now, the QGIS plugin has roughly 6 panels: tree segmentation, water segmentation, vision language model, segment anything, and also semantic and also instance segmentation. So I provide all the concrete examples showing you how to do that step by step. And at the end of each section, you also have exercise to practice what you have learned using either my sample data or your own data. And so hopefully this is going to be something that you can get started. Even you have not done GeoAI before, this will be a systematic introduction to the topic. And if you run into any issues, feel free to open an issue on GitHub here. So it depends on the issue. If it's related to the book content, code examples or something is not working, you can report here, or you can also report it on the GeoAI Python package. So if you go to opengeoai.org and then click upper right, it will take you to the GitHub repository. So you can report some issues from here. It's under active development, so there will be the new features being added in the future. And we also welcome your contribution. So the goal of the package is to make it easier to apply AI on geospatial data, to democratize access to AI without having to pay a commercial license. So this is under MIT license. It's free. You can use it for your research, for your company, for your staff, whatever you like. And if you find it useful, if you want to support me, then purchase the book is the best way to support. And this is all volunteer efforts and also community support, and we don't have other way of support continuing the development of the package. And if you want to collaborate, feel free to reach out. And I hope that this is a book that going to save you some time, so you don't have to do everything from scratch. You don't have to import hundreds of lines of code just to use GeoAI. Everything is very simple. Just import the GeoAI package, and that's it. Just one line of code or two lines of code, and that's it. You can download the data, you can visualize the data directly, and then you can run model, evaluate, run inference. So it's pretty straightforward and also easy to follow. Okay, so that's all of this tutorial, and I hope you find it useful. I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.